What if you're handing over your website to a client or a business and you're continuously having to remind them how to do their blogs or their changes on their website? Wouldn't it be good if you could just put some video links in here for them? I'm going to show you how to do that for free with CodeSnippets. 3 big reasons why you should use CodeSnippet. It's free, saves you having to use child theme, it protects you and allows you to roll back if there's ever any issues. Getting the plugin is super easy. Go over to WordPress, add new plugin, type in CodeSnippets, and you can't miss it. Go and install and activate it. When you're back in WordPress, go over to Snippets and click Add New and give it a title. And then click the link in the video to go over to CodeSnippets Cloud and copy this code. Once it's pasted in, you can now go and change some of the details. So I'm calling it training vids. You could call it training videos, however you want to call it. And then go and pop in your description, and the URL link might be on YouTube, Vimeo, wherever it is. Go and fill that out. And once you've done that, hit Save Changes and then hit Activate. And what you will notice is training vids has now appeared. And if I now click that, there are the videos. And of course, when they click it, it will then go and open it in another new tab. So it doesn't close down their WordPress, it just takes them to another tab there. But if you wanted to have 10, 20 videos, how to do this, how to do a listing, how to remove posts or design something, you can now set that up for them. And it's visible within their WordPress website with a code snippet. I'm Imran Web Squadron. I hope you like, subscribe, share and follow. I'll see you soon.